Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by attacking contamination and loose paint. Wash the spot, then wipe with 70% isopropyl to ensure adhesion. Once done, sand gently with 600-800 grit until edges feather smoothly. This prevents visible ridges later. Make sure to remove sanding dust with a tack cloth. Now shake the paint pen for 1 to 2 minutes and depress the tip on scrap plastic to prime it. You're ready for the first thin strokes. Small amounts build better than blobs. You'll apply multiple thin layers rather than one heavy coat because thin coats level and cure faster. Start in the center of the chip and work outward, feathering the paint about 1 to 2 millimeters beyond the damaged area to help blending. Make light passes, press briefly, move, and release to avoid pooling. Once a coat is laid, wait about 10 to 15 minutes for tack-up before the next. Continue until color and coverage match surrounding finish without raising the surface. After satisfactory coverage, let the paint cure. Most pens need 24 to 48 hours for full hardness, so avoid washing or waxing during that period. If the patched area feels high, wet sand lightly with 1,500-2,000 grit and polish to match surrounding gloss. Make sure to use gentle pressure and circular motions. If the color isn't right, you can correct by adding a thin glaze coat or repeating thin layers to shift tone. If runs appear, sand and redo. Don't try to force fixes while wet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.